Hello everyone and welcome back to another screencast. It's another graphs screencast, and this one is on vertical line graphs or vertical line charts. If you have not watched the screencasts on the bar charts, then please go and watch those first, because if you've done that, you'll find this ridiculously easy. Can I say it again? Ridiculously easy. But without further ado, let's give this a go. What is a vertical line graph? Sometimes called vertical line charts. It's basically exactly the same as a bar chart. So all the same rules apply. The only real difference is that you draw a line rather than a bar. Can I put that any easier than that? So really today it is a massive thumbs up. If you've watched that other video, you will so quickly do this that you'll be doing whatever you want to do before you can even say, Mr. Warren, thank you. All right, I'm just trying to come up with something a little bit more motivational than that, but that's all I've got. So anyway, here we go. How do we draw them? Just like a bar chart. So we have our Y values, okay, and we'll label those, and we've got our X values, and we'll label those, and we'll make sure we put frequency, how often it has occurred, and what it is. So we're talking about hair colors here, so we bang that in, and then look at this. The first one is black, and I'm going to draw a line up to 20. And that is it. Make sure that the gaps are the same, but we go brown, and there was 25 for brown, you can see that. Blondes are 10, reds are 5, and the greys in the world are 2. And that's it. That's how you do them, just like a bar chart. Just remember, if you need a key, put a key. But you don't need one on this occasion. But make sure you label those axes, the Y and the X axes. All right, so now, believe it or not, we're already at the quiz. Give it a go. Draw your own vertical line graph to display the following data. Come back and see if you've got it correct. All right, so here we go. This is our answer, so we can see there that we've drawn up our axes, we've labelled up our axes, and we've drawn the correct heights. Now, I've put in some tricky heights there. The big key thing that some people do wrong is they don't actually, these for some people, they just sort of put in random numbers. Make sure that every line is worth 1, or possibly every line's worth 2, or every line's worth 3. Whatever it needs to be, but make sure it is the same. Consistency is key. Right, now we're moving on to the second part of the quiz. Sorry, there normally isn't a second part of the quiz, but we're going to go and interpret the data now rather than doing a whole nother screencast on that. So here we go. Use the bar chart. Use the vertical line chart to answer the following questions, please. Come back and see if you've got them correct. All right, so here we go. You've hopefully had time to do that. So here we go. There are our answers. The Mode ice cream is the most common, which is mint choc chip, my son's favourite. How many people picked fudge as their favourite flavour? That's 18. What fraction of people picked vanilla as their favourite? And there's 15 people out of 75, so it's 1/5. How many people took part in the survey? Well, 75 people in total. So that's how many people took part. And that's it. If you've done really well, fantastic. If you haven't done very well, go back and watch that bar chart drawing and interpreting screencast, because they go into a lot more detail than this one, because I'm just taking it for granted that you already know most of the stuff. But as always, it's been a pleasure helping you with your maths today. Until next time, goodbye.